the friends today. My story, has a whole chapter belonging to this lady who've rested. When I graduated in 2007 at Egerton University, I came to Nairobi, and 2008, I went to an institution. That time it was in a cooperative house in Nairobi. I requested for a position to serve in this high institution, and I was accepted. It was in this college. So I grew up there, at cooperative, then we went to Ronald Gala, and then before that, agriculture house, then we went to Ronald Gala. By that time, she was constructing here, then we came here. So I served with her from 2008 to 2013. So it's a whole chapter in my life. It was in this institution where I changed my career. I graduated at Egerton University as a science teacher. I did education, maths and chemistry, which is science. But when I came here, I was given an opportunity. This lady, wonderful lady here of Rested, could give people opportunities. I was given an opportunity to also assist the business department by lecturing mathematics units. That's when I realized that in business studies, you apply what you learned in the science environment. It is here where I decided, because she used to encourage us, to tell us that you can be whatever you want to be in life, only if you work hard and smart, if you are committed, and if you believe in God. It was here where I changed then my career from a science teacher to business environment. As I talk to you, I'm graduating PhD, Business Administration Finance option, and it's courtesy of our encouragement. Ladies and gentlemen, students who are here, I want to repeat her words. We can be whatever we want to be in this world, only if you have God first. You work hard and smart. You believe in yourself, and you be focused. I do not want to take my time. Just allow me to read my tributes, because if I just talk freely like this, I'll take a lot of time, because I'll remember so many things that she used to tell us. So today, we gather with heavy hearts to bid farewell to a remarkable soul, a true visionary, and the heart and soul of Nairobi Institute of Business Studies and the Lizzie Wanyoike Preparatory School, Madam Lizzie Wanyoike. It is with profound sadness that we acknowledge the passing of a woman who left an indelible mark on our lives. I've told you that in the year 2008, Madam Lizzie extended her welcoming hand to many of us, including myself, providing not just a job, but an opportunity to be a part of the educational journey at Nairobi Institute of Business Studies. As a mentor,